Hey, what's up everybody? Coming to you with an update. Got this little dude on trade the other day. Can't wait for this. It's got the plastic gas tank on it. Seats in really good condition. Sissy bar's in good condition. It's not all ripped up. I've actually been looking for one that's got these plastic tank on there, just because I got a special graphic I made for that I'm gonna be putting on there soon. Gotta get her all put back together. She got the foot pegs, rear end, it's got the wheel, got the sprocket, pretty much everything to put it back together. It came with 2 carbs. Not bad looking carbs, but definitely maybe building these. I don't know yet. We'll just see what's in store for it. Come over here. It came with this little motor here that I had got with it. And then that 110 electric start. Definitely gonna lean more towards putting this one on there. Even if I have to rebuild it, I don't think it'll be too much to rebuild. But you got the real gas tank here. That's just a little bitty fella. Got the cluster, gauges, speedometer. I doubt it'll go that fast, but we'll see. Battery, blinkers and lights. Got 2 chains with it, a couple of miscellaneous brackets, cover. That cover for something. Might not even use it, don't know. We'll just see. Got 1 throttle cable here. I don't think it's any good. We'll just have to order one of those. They're pretty inexpensive. But there is the new project. So stay tuned, because we're gonna build it, paint it up, make it all pretty looking. Catch y'all next time.